Hello, gorgeous. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Gigi, and today we're going to work on these tips and paint them all pastel. Everything is a little different color, except the ring finger and the thumb are both that pretty lavender color, kind of a lilac-y lavender. Honestly, it's so cute. But we are going to make a pastel set and then turn it into pastel goth, because I saw, I don't know, an article or a post, or I don't even remember where I saw it. I just went, pastel goth. Love it. So we're just going to take these pastel nails and add all the details that you would see in a goth set. Not all the metal bits, though. I don't have a lot of that. So I've been looking on Amazon to find some so we can do more gothic sets, because please, they're so fun. So now I'm using the liner brush, and I'm realizing here, this is not going to work. I struggle to make a long straight line, which it's not too bad if you look at it. It's not bad. But I do better with a liner brush, so like a longer one. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to use that. You guys know, I don't really love the liner brushes in the bottle. They're gloopy and drippy and messy. So it's better to just have some good liner brushes. So we're going to start now on this with some black like straps going across two of the nails. I'm not going to focus on every single nail in this particular video. We're going to bounce around a little bit, but I'm going to show you the straps on this lavender one. And then we're going to use a little bit of stamping for some imagery and a lot of gems. So there is not actually a ton of explanation needed for today's video. And if I'm going to be honest with you guys, and you know I always am, I am so cranky right now. And my brain is not working correctly. And I just cannot come up with anything much to say. So we've got some stamping coming up. We've got lots of gem work coming up. And I hope that you enjoy it. I'll pop back in at the end to describe the set and discuss it with you guys. And until then, enjoy some cute music. Okay guys, this is the finished set. I think the stamped images are perfect for a Gothic set. We've got that beautiful eye with the spider webs. We've got a beautiful bit of scroll work over here. We have straps and gems and beautiful micro beads that sort of look like chains. I love this set, and honestly, I can't wait to tackle this idea again. The pastel goth is just gorgeous. Guys, let me know which nail is your favorite in the comment section below. Thank you for watching today's video, even without much voiceover. We are going to see you in the next video, and until then, bye-bye.